Hi, and welcome to Level Up Cartooning, where our goal is to take the mystery out of the drawing process by breaking it into easy-to-follow steps. Today we'll be drawing young Naruto, or is it Naruto? Either way, all you need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. If you like what you see here today, remember to hit the subscribe button below, click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the Level Up Cartooning episodes, and finally, don't forget to like this video. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to draw Naruto step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched some of my other videos, then you know I use the character's head to figure out how big the whole character is. In this pose, Naruto is 3 heads tall. In other words, however tall his head is, his entire body is 3 of those, not counting his pointy hair, his one hand, and his right toes. Alright, so let's get started with that roadmap for Naruto. So there's our roadmap for Naruto, which means we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the 3rd and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You see that I use guidelines to help me to know where to put eyes, nose, mouth, and some other things. You don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them as light as possible, light enough to be able to erase them easily. So let's rough out Naruto's features. So there are the roughed out features of Naruto. We've done our roadmap, we've roughed out the features, now it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have the fun. We get to draw the final details of Naruto. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work figuring it out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't hammer that line, mindlessly retracing over the lines you've already drawn. Always look to tweak and improve until the very end. All right, so let's draw in Naruto's details. Alrighty, and there you have it, Naruto. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Naruto, then you cannot expect to have drawn him perfect. You'll notice I don't spend time coloring Naruto during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Naruto. With that, you can draw him again and again, and by all means color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it will be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So I'd love to see your drawing of Naruto. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram. Don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. Thanks again for joining me, and until next time, keep drawing, my friends.